Welcome to Eternia Home by Plastic World, urban, elegant and simple. Introducing our ceramic 4-piece jar set, a stylish and functional addition to elevate your kitchen storage with a touch of elegance. The snug-fitting lids feature a silicone gasket, creating an airtight seal to keep your ingredients fresh and protected from moisture. The jars, in a soothing sea green color with a golden border, exude a tranquil elegance that seamlessly complements any kitchen aesthetic. The circular shape of the jars, compact and palm-friendly, makes them a joy to hold and display. These charming jars are not just containers, they're a visual delight that enhances the overall aesthetics of your kitchen. The lids feature a golden border that adds a touch of opulence to each jar. The convenient knob handles on the lids ensure easy access and a secure seal to keep your dry fruits, pickles, or other kitchen essentials fresh and flavorsome. Effortlessly hold and maneuver the jars with ease, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable kitchen experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. You can purchase our products from the website www.plasticworld.in. Visit our store Eternia Home at MG Road, Sikandarabad, and Plastic World at Amirpet.